If you want to lock a Google Drive folder or unlock it later, this video will show you the quickest way to do it step by step. Whether you're organizing important files, protecting shared content, or just trying to keep certain folders from being edited by mistake, this is a simple process you can follow in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land inside your Google Drive dashboard. From here, click on My Drive so you can see all of your folders and files in one place. Now find the folder you want to lock. When you see it, right-click on that folder to open the Options menu. In that menu, look for File Information and click it. This is where Google Drive keeps the details and controls for the folder or file you selected. After that, you'll see the Lock option. Click on Lock once and Google Drive will ask you to confirm the action. Click Lock again to complete it. Once the folder is locked, it helps prevent unwanted changes and gives you a better way to manage important content inside your drive. If you ever need to unlock it, the process is almost exactly the same. Just right-click on the folder again, go back into File Information, and then click Unlock. After that, confirm by clicking Unlock again, and the folder will be available for editing or changes once more. So to recap, you go to Google Drive, open My Drive, right-click the folder, open File Information, and then choose Lock. And if you want to reverse it, follow the same path and choose Unlock. It's a fast and easy way to manage your folders inside Google Drive without any complicated settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.